On your energy worksheet, you have two examples. Example 1 says calculate the energy of red light that has a frequency of 6.3 times 10 to the 12th hertz. So we're going back to our energy equation. E is equal to H times F. H, of course, is Planck's constant. F is the frequency that's been given to us. So we plug this in. 6.63 times 10 to the negative 34 joules times seconds are our units, times 6.3 times 10 to the 12 hertz. Remember that hertz is 1 over seconds, so seconds times 1 over seconds just cancels out. We do our math. Remember, it just leaves us joules. After we do our math, we end up with 4.18 times 10 to the negative 21 joules. Here we have a photon with a given energy, and we're being asked for the frequency. So we just rearrange the equation. Frequency is equal to energy divided by Planck's constant, H. Perform our substitution. We have 4.56 times 10 to the negative 13 joules divided by 6.63 times 10 to the negative 34 joule seconds. Joules and joules cancel each other out. It leaves us with seconds, but seconds are on the bottom. So really this is 1 over seconds, which is the same as hertz. So our answer will be in units of hertz. 6.88 times 10 to the 20 hertz.